Yes, yes.
Miss Daraksha, please tell us about yourself.
So my name is Daraksha Khanam. I'm from Damoh, Madhya Pradesh. I completed my MBA in Finance from Banastali Vidyapit and also did my BCom from Banastali Vidyapit itself. After completion of my MBA, I worked for about a year in Bajaj Allianz General Insurance as an executive trainee in Banca channel. After doing that job for 1 year, I left that job and currently I'm preparing for other PSC examinations. That's all about me, sir.
What was the nature of job you were doing in Bajaj Alliance?
Uh, Sir, I was in cross selling.
Can you explain what is cross-selling?
Sir, in that it was a banker channel tie-up. So the tie-up of Bajaj Allianz was with HDFC Bank. So there I used to sell credit product and fire insurance, stock insurance. These all product I used to sell to bank's customers.
Why people take insurance?
Because insurance provide assurance. It covers the risk. That's why people should buy insurance.
What will happen if risk is not covered?
Then claim would not be then claim would not be paid by the insurance company if that specific risk is not covered. For example, I used to provide the credit product in which 24 critical illnesses used to get covered. Apart from that illness, the customer comes for the claim that could not be covered.
Can you tell me what are the types of illnesses that are covered?
Sir, I do not know completely, but for example, heart attack, stroke, and these two, three illnesses I just know about because they were mentioned in the pamphlet. So there we used to just tell the customer, used to send it to
Which are
them.
not covered?
Which are not covered. Actually, sir, there was only 24 illnesses that used to get covered in that in that plan.
But don't tell this if you are not having details about them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
You studied MBA in which subject?
In finance.
Why did you choose finance?
Sir, I was actually very fascinated by the world of banking and finance. During my undergraduation, I realized that finance is not just about numbers, but it is also about understanding the dynamics of the economy and making informed decisions. Whereas learning finance will also help me to make my personal financial decisions more properly.
Good. Now, please tell me what is ratio analysis? What is the
Ratio
advantage of ratio analysis?
ratio analysis, it is a financial tool that helps to determine the company's performance using its financial data from its profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Whereas ratio analysis, through ratio analysis we can calculate various ratios which we can use to compare with other companies, and with um, we can just have the summary of accounts. I think, sir, I'm not getting right now this thing.
I think you better make a search. Advantages, disadvantage of ratio analysis, it will tell you. Ratio
Okay,
analysis
sir.
helps you compare your own performance with the past performance. It helps you compare with the performance of other companies in this line. Okay, like that.
Yes, sir.
What is EBITDA margin?
EBIT, sir, I don't know, but I would like to make a guess, like earning before interest, taxes, and dividend.
Hmm. Because you only
Mm,
gave me this question, na? Hello.
yes, sir.
You only provided these questions to me, correct?
Yes, sir.
आपने क्यों नहीं पढ़ा?
Mm,
EBITDA margin. Um, for EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation. and amortization. I am giving the link of this in our WhatsApp group, or I will give it to you. Then I will transfer later on for others. Okay. So please
Yes, sir.
read that one thoroughly.
Yes, sir.
You need to prepare more on that. Because see, honestly, this question was given by you only, not by me. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then did you study about EPS bar PE ratio?
Earning per share and price to equity ratio.
Good,
Uh, wha-
very good.
Price to earning ratio.
What
Sorry, price to earning ratio.
what is current ratio?
Current ratio. It is the ratio between current assets and current liabilities. The
What is
ideal
quick
current
ratio?
ratio.
What is quick
Quick.
ratio? Hmm.
It is the ratio between quick assets and current liability.
What are quick assets?
Quick assets includes all current assets, excluding prepaid expenses and inventories.
Super. Debt equity ratio?
Debt equity ratio is the ratio between debt and equity. The ideal debt to equity ratio is 2:1.
What is Exim Bank?
Exim Bank, it is a financial institution which provide financial and advisory services to Indian exporters and promote India's international trade.
Who are the important people in Exim Bank?
The important people in India Exim Bank is our MD CEO Ms. Harsha Bangare ma'am, whereas deputy manager, which includes Shri Tarun Sharma sir and Ms. Dipali Agarwal ma'am, whereas there are 13 chief general managers and 11 general managers. Apart from this, there are five directors representing Government of India, and there are seven directors representing institutions and commercial banks. Sorry.
Hmm. Good. Can you name the financial products of our bank?
Yes. The financial products of India Exim Bank includes lines of credit, buyer's credit, corporate banking, overseas investment finance, project export, Ubharti Sitare program, trade assistance program, and sustainable finance program.
Good. Please talk about any two of them.
Ubharti Sitare program. It is a program of Exim Bank in which they identify those companies which are advantages in three parameters, that is technology, product, and processes. They identify those companies and provide assistance in the form of equity or equity like instruments, or in the form of debt, or also technical assistance. Through Ubharti Sitare program, India Exim Bank has by June 2024, India Exim Bank has supported about 1,223 crores of support to 65 entities, a wide area of sectors, which include five equity investments. Whereas I would like to talk about sustainable finance program. In this sustainable finance program, Exim Bank provides finance to those businesses who are involved in energy efficiency, renewable, or sustainably linked projects.
Super. You are answering very well. What are the services rendered by our bank?
Exim Bank services include three services: export advisory services, market advisory services, and research analysis group.
Can you talk on any one of them?
The research analysis group, I would like to talk about. Under research analysis group, Exim Bank provides support services to Indian exporters in their export decision, whereas they provide the overview of export sector to overview of entire export sector to Indian exporters. That's all.
What is India Exim FinServe?
It is a subsidiary of India Exim Bank. India Exim Bank FinServ huh, provide assistance to Indian exporters for trade related and other services, whereas located in Gift City, Gujarat, and operated under the regulations of IFSCA.
Good. Very good answering. Now, what are the um, recent news about Exim Bank as given in their website?
The recent news was on 7 January 2025. Their Exim Bank has raised about 1 billion, that is 8,000, sorry, $1 billion, that is about 8,750 crores through overseas bond at a very competitive rate. They tell the bank told that they will be using that money for their ongoing or new projects.
Please tell me the awards received by them.
Sir, I don't know this question.
What are
I'm
the
not aware.
green initiatives taken by them?
The green initiative, I could only remember that green bond, in which they use in which they raise money, which will be used for the purpose of energy efficiency, renewable or sustainability linked projects. I only know about this thing,
No
green bond
problem.
only.
No problem. You told very well. What is packing credit?
Packing credit is also known as pre-shipment credit facility, in which the exporter get credit facility before the shipment of goods for purchase of raw material, manufacturing goods, etc.
Good. What do you understand by bank guarantee?
Bank guarantee, it is a contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability in case of default by third party. Like other guarantee, it is a trilateral contract between the applicant, beneficiary and the guarantor.
थोड़ा और भी अच्छा डेफिनेशन देना है प्लीज रीड गारंटी डेफिनेशन उतना
Okay, sir.
क्लियर नहीं है प्लीज प्रिपेयर एंड ऑल्सो नो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गारंटीज परफॉर्मेंस गारंटी मनी गारंटी लाइक
Okay,
दैट
okay, sir. Okay,
थोड़ा
sir.
उसका बारे में
Sir, I was knowing, but I didn't told. I only just told the definition, and I got a bit confused in my own, at my own.
yeah otherwise you are answering very well no problem about it now what is the vision and mission of our organization?
The vision of India Exim Bank is to globalize Indian businesses and empower partner countries' growth, whereas the mission of India Exim Bank is is to facilitate India's trade and investments, whereas support partner countries' development and become the financial, social, environmental responsible institute.
Who was the first chief executive of Exim Bank in the year 82 to 85, 1982 to 85?
Sir, I don't know.
Mr. R.C. Shah.
Okay, sir.
Who was the executive director prior to Harsha Bangari?
No
David
idea, sir.
David Raskuna.
David. Okay, sir.
Good. Where is the headquarters of our bank?
It is in Mumbai.
Good. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, I'm comfortable in relocation.
Very good. Best wishes. India exports more to which country? Imports more from which country?
We export more to USA, China, USA, China, UAE, Netherlands, and UK. We import more from obviously China, USA, UAE, Saudi Arabia, and Russia.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Mm. Under the blogs or the success stories, did you go through what are the success stories given in the website? I am not getting it here. Please
No,
try.
sir, I haven't gone through the success story and awards. I will do that, sir.
Who is our external affairs minister?
Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar.
You are from which state?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh, sir.
Can you tell me some news about yesterday, day before yesterday?
That rupee is falling. The major news is on rupee depreciation. Apart from this, the news related to obviously our GDP and the yes, sir. Only I could remember these two things.
Okay. Fine. No problem. You have done extremely well. I will give you 8.8 out of 10. You can ask me why not 9, why not 8 point.
Yes, sir. I was going to ask this only.
No, no, good. Your performance is really good, Daraksha. One, because your studious nature and you're preparing well and all. I wish you success. Please prepare well, and which your interview is on only 23rd now.
Yes, sir. On 23rd, I have my interview.
Can you take one more on 21st, 9:15 p.m.? Or where will you
Yes.
be on 9
Yes, sir.
20? Yeah,
Yes, on 21st, I will be taking another one.
yeah, 9:15 p.m. Just a minute, I'll stop recording.